Hi everyone, this is Teacher Emmanuel and this is
the mini teacher Adam.
So today we are going to clear up a difference between fewer and less. We use fewer for things that you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fewer apples. And we use less
for things that you can't count individually. For example, there's less water in this glass.
That's right. So we use fewer for things we can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we use less for things we cannot count, less water. So keep this in mind. You will never mix up again. This was Teacher Emmanuel and
Mini Teacher Adam.
Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips. Bye.